Noticed something happened with my Kalanchoe Serrata plants. I do believe that's what they are. I got these probably back in, or their ancestors, back in 2010. And I've been collecting pups from them ever since. I've gone through quite a few generations, but I never got them to get to a point that they have buds on there. I want to see their little orange trumpet flowers pop out. That is my goal. And this is the first time that I've got them in the correct conditions. Planted them the right time, I guess. I don't know, but it's not really the right time because we're facing winter and it's going to freeze and it's going to kill these plants. So right now I'm getting ready to prepare for the next batch. But what I've noticed is a structural change in these. And I've never noticed this difference, probably because I never got them this far. But I've ended up with two different setups here. These little short ones, they're short, no buds, really dense little tops, and their structure has opposing leaves, opposing stems. Let me get my camera right, since I don't do videos with this thing very much. It has opposing stems that alternate. Opposing stems right here, and as it goes up, it opposes the other directions. And when you look down on them, it's four. And this little, it has four. Now, not this bud. This is the top of it. Just goes nuts here. They never got any higher, but these just took off. They have decided that they're the ones that have flowers. What I'm seeing here, which is interesting, is that the base of these plants do the same thing, opposing, and they come up and then they oppose the other direction. They're four. But as you get up the stem, it changes to three. But there's no opposition here. It's one here, and it goes up, then over here, then goes up, and then over here, making three. And when you get higher, closer to the top of it, they're on the same level. They all pop out at the same level in three. So this whole thing has just totally changed its structure as it's gone up. And now I have these little buds. Hopefully I get to see the little trumpet flower pop off them. Both plants make these little puffs on the leaves, which is how I've been propagating them forever. And my goal is to get seeds so I can start a whole new cycle. These produce pups. Not now. It's getting cold and they've just chilled out on that. The pup production has changed. They have the ones that have threes and flowers have these little things on them, just like the ones that have four that have never expressed the flower. At first I was wondering, did these do that because they're behind these and they get sun? Or did these plants decide a sex? Now, I'm not a biologist. I know some plants make flowers that have pistil, some flowers that have just stamen, and then some plants that have stamen and pistil. These generally produce with pups. But in an adult form, they make flowers, which I expect to see seeds from. Someone please explain this to me. What am I seeing here? I'm not understanding that, and I'm trying to figure out and understand this plant so I know how to propagate it further, because what I want is flowers. But is it going to take both of these plants? Or do they decide for themselves? Anyway, that's what I'm seeing here. And I'm really excited about it, actually. Multiple levels of these buds. Let me get over here where you can see this. There we go. All the way down. We're trying to go here. And then as it goes down, it gets into 4. So they have changed their structure. It's pretty interesting to me. I'm just curious to know if anybody's used to growing these kind of Kalanchoe plants. Kalanchoe Serrata. At first I thought they were tubuliflora, but I found that I was not correct on that one. Focus, come on, focus. Anyway, if anybody has any information on this and what I need to do to help them to get to flowering plants, is this just a crapshoot with genetic expression? I'm not really sure, but that's what I'm dealing with, and any information is welcome. Thank you.